In this question, you have to identify the wrongly matched pair. Option A, starch synthesis in P is to multiple alleles. Now this pair is wrongly matched because starch synthesis in peas is governed by a single gene with two alleles and not multiple alleles. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, ABO blood grouping is to codominance. Now this is the correct match because the ABO blood group system exhibit codominance where allele IA and IB are expressed equally in heterozygous individual, that is, person having blood group AB. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, TH Morgan is to linkage. Now, this is also a correct match because TH Morgan is definitely credited for discovering linkage, that is, the tendency of genes located close to one another on the same chromosome to be inherited together. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, exotype sex is to grasshopper. Now, it is also correctly matched because grasshoppers exhibit the exotype of sex determination where females have two X chromosomes but males have only one X chromosome. Hence, it is also incorrect option.